Just crush my plant. Doesn't matter, it's not lawn. Guys, Clint here from Lawn Hub. This video is going to trigger a heap of you. So grab a drink or something. Just relax. And remember, it's just lawn. And it's my lawn, so it doesn't matter. For those of you that have been following along the journey of my Tiff Tuff, you would all have an opinion. I've sought opinions from professionals, but I'm not the kind of guy to listen to people's opinions. And so, what I'm about to do might shock some of you, and it might annoy some of you. Those of you that have said, leave your Tiff Tuff alone, let it grow, stop fertilizing it, stop watering it, stop mowing it so much. You can do that with your lawn, but I'm going to start fertilizing my lawn more regularly because I want it to grow. No, just kidding. I'm going to give it a bit of fertilizer, but I'm only going to give half of it a bit of fertilizer. So it's just not growing. I've had people say that this is what we've had so far. It's beetle, lawn beetle eating the roots. Roots aren't growing. pH is wrong. pH is wrong. Correct pH. It'll sort it out. It needs some humic or some fulvic acid. It'll help with nitrogen uptake. The lawn's not in a good place. It's not taking nitrogen. There's nitrogen lockup in the soil. Ryegrass, this is for Jonesy today. Ryegrass can sometimes put a chemical into the soil that might stop the other grass growing. So we've kind of got this theory now that the ryegrass, even though we've poisoned it out, has actually stopped the Tiff from growing. And number 4, maybe it just needs some fertilizer. 5. When my dog glypho pisses on the lawn, it goes really green and then it dies. Now, based on that theory, it's hungry and it needs some nitrogen. Trigger warning. I have a bucket here with no label on it. It's plan B, okay? I know what's in it. Don't tell my mum, alright? She's not gonna be angry at me. It's fine. I'm gonna put this out at a rate of 5 kilos to 200 square meters. I'm going to put it out on one half only, so 60 square meters, so about a kilo, 1.25 kilos of this. I'm not going to use scales. I'm going to know, I'm going to know. And I'm going to put it out, and I'm going to water it in, and I'm going to watch for the results. I'm going to put it on the side that we applied the special mix to. Special mix did nothing to my lawn, FYI, so Jonesy likes it. My lawn's probably not the best test case. So this is a quick video. I'm going to put this out, and then we'll keep you posted as to what happens. Stay calm. My lawn. Doesn't affect you. Doesn't matter. If you've watched this far, congratulations. That's it. Where's my fertilizer spreader? Ugh. Sorry, I've got to pick up the poopies first. You'll be pleased to know that I only used 1 kilo of the 5 kilos, which is what? 1/5 of 240 square meters. Didn't even use enough. Got it on my hands. I'm going to wash them, and now I'm going to water it in. I'm going to water the whole lawn with an automatic irrigation cycle, and then miraculously the lawn that I've fertilized is going to grow, and the lawn that I haven't fertilized isn't. And the solution is going to be, you need to buy Lawn Hub fertilizer, and it will just change life. Or not. Whatever. Just want a nice lawn. Thanks for tuning in. See ya.